This is a brand new 2013 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, energy-absorbing front crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.